Hello YouTube, this is my new Samsung Chromebook. I think it's the 4. It's got a little extra like memory in it. These really don't have a hard drive. If you go over your memory, whatever, it's stored whatever on Google. And like your email, if you fill it, you're going to have to pay for extra space and stuff that I haven't even learned yet. But it's pretty basic to run one of these. Like here shows all your apps. Okay. And down here in the bottom right corner, if you get over here, shows you're connected, your battery life. This thing will run 10 hours. I've already tested it once last night, from whatever till midnight. It will run it'll run 10 hours on the battery because there's not really a hard drive in it. But there's really not a whole lot to show you in here. I mean, I could bring up my channel. You got stuff here like we can go to Harbor Freight, go shopping. We're not going to monetize this. We can do whatever we want. Photos is really complicated. You have your photo section, but it is really complicated. This stuff comes from my Google page, and I deleted it because this takes up a lot of space, and you only got so much space to fill, and I threw a lot of videos away. I just kept the basics, but isn't that nice? That's a model car I made once. And I got back page on this scroll wheel here. I don't know if I've ever shown that. That's a 61 Ford. The first Andy Griffiths was a 64, a 60, I mean, not 61. It's a 60 Ford. The first Andy Griffith show, the cop car is what it looked like in the back. This was all homemade. The antenna, that's the LED for the light. I have a video on that if you just put model cars in, search on my channel. And this roll model kit, they re-brought this one out. The one I had like decals like Honest Charlie or whatever, and it's different than the new one. The new one does not have the same decals. It came with a kit where you put a cutting torch and tools and stuff, and I left it black. And these came out of the closet and it's dusty looking. Like I said, I have a video on model cars if you're really into that. And of course there's the truck and whatever. So we'll get out of here. But I said that's part of your photo stuff. You have albums and sharing and print here, store and stuff like that. Of course, you got your email, Gmail down there. I got a Gmail account now. I'll be giving it out soon. I've got my channel bookmarked up here because I like it a certain size. Okay, you can adjust the size. And what I want to mention, I don't know if nobody knows, on this, say, if you go up here to your icon and you have it just right, whatever you're doing, you could make this white turn black, where all this white is, but it's kind of nice at nighttime. This also has a night light. If you go down your bottom here, there's some settings. I'm not going to open up and show my personal email or personal whatever. There's some settings down here when you click down here in the bottom. See where I'm at right here? It has a night light which dims the screen. It's really nice at night if you really want to darken it down. Otherwise you got to adjust the screen brightness, and I have not even figured that out yet. I will eventually. But that's just some wallpaper that came with it. We're going to keep this really short. I think you right click on it. Set wallpaper. See, you got all this different stuff. Desert theme. So you can get all kinds of wallpaper with it. Or I haven't learned to put my own picture in it yet. But that's about it. We're about 4 minutes. We don't want these videos to be too long. We're using an old laptop, using the old camera. That's only like 480. It will show 720, but it really was a 720 camera. It's my old one where the battery door broke. I got the brass thing on it. So we're going over our time limit, not to be short, but I just gave you a quick look of it, what one looks like if you haven't had one. So thanks for watching.